Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to create a cute little ghost with a magnet, perfect for decorating this Halloween season. We will need a 2.5mm hook, a yarn needle, two 6mm safety eyes, a stitch marker, scissors, a magnet which has a diameter of 18mm and a thickness of 3mm, and finally cotton yarn in white. Here are also the stitch reference we will use in this tutorial. We are going to start with the first round, making 6 single crochets in a magic ring. Once the round is finished, pull the yarn to close the ring tightly. Now we continue with round 2, which consists of 6 increases. An increase is 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Mark the first stitch of the round. At the end of this round we should have 12 stitches. In round 3 we do 1 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating this 6 times. When finished, we should have 18 stitches. For the next 8 rounds, from round 4 to round 11, we'll make 18 single crochets in each round. this part better, hold the work and pull tightly on the yarn of the magic ring. Once all the rounds are finished, hide the yarn from the magic ring. Now we continue crocheting by showing the two sides. We start by making one half double crochet. In the same stitch we make one double crochet. And another half double crochet in the same stitch. Now we make a slip stitch in the next stitch. We repeat this sequence a total of 4 times. When finished, leave a strand of about 40 centimeters to crochet the arms and cut. This will be the back of the ghost, and this will be the front. Now with a yarn needle, pass the yarn through the body and exit through the left side between rounds 8 and 9. With a hook, grab the yarn and make a chain. Now we make a single crochet, a half double crochet and a single crochet in the same stitch. Finish with a slip stitch in the next stitch. Now with a yarn needle, pass the strand into the body and exit on the opposite side in the same round where we made the slip stitch. With the hook, grab the yarn and make a chain. In the next stitch, make a single crochet, a half double crochet and a single crochet in the same stitch. Now we pass the yarn through the body and exit at the back of the ghost. Passing through some stitches like this. and cut. We'll place the safety eyes, which go between rounds 6 and 7. We need to pass them through the body to secure them well. To place the magnet, I will use silicone, but you can use any glue you have. You can add a little blush below the eyes, like I did with this other one. And that will finish our little ghost. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Give it a like and comment if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to see my upcoming videos.